Here's interesting app called ParentVUE. ParentVUE mobile application helps parents stay informed and connected by providing day-to-day insight into their child's academic experience. ParentVUE mobile for the iPhone, iPad Touch works with the Synergy student information system in much the same way as the ParentVUE web portal, allowing parents to access near real-time information on assignments and scores, attendance, and demographic information. Offers parents a single sign-on to view all of their children's information regardless of school. So yeah, here you can just find that, and then let's just try to install it. It doesn't have that many ratings, and for some reason the average rating is pretty low, but it's quite high in the charts. So there is definitely a demand for this app, but you need to connect this app to your school district server, and then you can just enter the zip code of your school district location and try to find it, just as an example what you can see. So probably it just doesn't have that many, So to log in, you will need to create an account and activate it. You will need an activation key provided by your school district. Do you have an activation key, or you already activated? So then you just need to get this key and activate it. But however, then you can see there are some kind of errors. So yeah, that's probably, it has some few lower reviews, but still it's a really good idea. There is another app in this category. So there are a bunch of apps which you can try as well. So yeah, try it out.